Automating lock cylinder polishing with Peitian robot. Efficiency in metal processing starts with simplicity. In this lock cylinder polishing workstation, the Peitian Robot Air 10-1210 seamlessly handles loading, polishing, and palletizing, with an average operation cycle time of only 30 seconds. Its core highlight lies in the built-in self-developed Fast Palletizing Process Package. Complicated programming is not required. Simply set parameters for pallets and workpieces on the graphical interface, and the system can automatically generate the full programs, which greatly lowers technical barriers and improves deployment efficiency. This solution is widely applicable to multiple industries including 3C, chemical, and metal processing. Experience smarter production with Peitian Robot.